Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video with me, Mighty, and today there's a new update in Animal Company, and it's apparently arena mode. But real quickly, before we do anything else, let's see if there's any more new items because of the new update. Huh. I've got 3 research points. Not a single new item, except for that still. Nothing new. Any new cosmetics? Oh. Wait, what is that? What the hell? Badlands set, Westland set, Wreckage set, Scrapyard set. That looks tough. Bro, what is this? Trying to put my fingers like that. Well, here's the new mode, Arena. Whoa! Where am I going? What the hell? What the hell? Prototype. Red team, blue team. What? I'm confuddly duddly dude. Peekaboo! Start game. Oh, that's cool. I got an aura. Okay. Whoa! Pistol! What the heck is this? Oh! This is tough! Go around destroying crystals. It's like a pickaxe crystal. Yo, this is cool. Yo, I'm gonna have to play with Billy on this. Billy was just on, but he got off. Oh, this is so cool. I even get coins from this. This is OP. Oh my god! I like this! I love this! There's a way to get, like, different guns. What is this? There's a black hole thing. Oh dear god. Oh, so these just give random stuff. Oh my god, there's a whole pile of them over here. Yo, this is tough. Oh wait, I'm gonna go destroy it. Destroy the blue team! How am I alive? I can get research points from this? This is tough. Cool if we could shoot him. Oh, that's cool! That's actually tough. Well, these are made out of, wait. What the hell? Yo, this is cool. Yo, this is cool, guys. Well, guys, how was this video? This is pretty cool, actually. I'm loving it. I might play this more. I will probably do a 1v1 with Billy. You'll probably get cooked. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. I love you all so much. And let the Lord be your guide.